Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with using the platform. Today, we're diving into Payoneer, a popular financial services platform found at www.payoneer.com. This platform offers a range of tools designed to facilitate international payments, making it a valuable resource for businesses, freelancers, and anyone else involved in cross-border transactions. Payoneer provides a streamlined system for sending and receiving payments globally, helping to simplify the often complex world of international finance. One of the key benefits of using Payoneer is its accessibility. It offers services in over 200 countries and supports multiple currencies, effectively breaking down geographical barriers and simplifying transactions across different monetary systems. This broad reach makes it an attractive option for individuals and companies working with clients and partners worldwide. Imagine the ease of conducting business with someone on the other side of the globe, with payments processed as smoothly as if they were next door. That's the power of Payoneer. For freelancers, Payoneer can be a game changer. It offers a simple way to receive payments from international clients directly into your Payoneer account. This eliminates the hassle of dealing with international wire transfers, which can often be expensive and time-consuming. With Payoneer, freelancers can receive payments quickly and efficiently, allowing them to focus on their work rather than the logistics of getting paid. The platform also provides tools to manage your funds, making it a comprehensive financial solution for the modern freelancer. Moreover, businesses can leverage Payoneer to streamline their payment processes. Whether paying international contractors or receiving payments from overseas customers, Payoneer provides a centralized platform to manage all your transactions. This simplifies accounting and reduces the administrative burden associated with international payments. The platform's robust infrastructure ensures secure and reliable transactions, providing peace of mind for businesses of all sizes. Its features are designed to enhance efficiency and transparency in international financial operations. Payoneer also offers prepaid MasterCard debit cards, making it easy to access your funds. This allows you to withdraw cash at ATMs or make purchases online and in stores, offering flexibility and convenience in managing your money. This feature effectively bridges the gap between digital finances and real-world spending, providing a tangible link to your online earnings. The card is a valuable tool for accessing and utilizing your funds wherever you are. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient solution for international payments, be sure to check out Payoneer at www.payoneer.com. It's a platform designed to simplify the complexities of global finance, making it an invaluable resource for individuals and businesses alike. Remember to explore all the links provided in the description below for more information.